Hi friends, this is the Lehoo Castle scratch art kit, and you can see that I found it as a new technique for the kids to get involved. And this is the complete kit that comes with a lot of stuff and a complete set to do all the things. I will explain you later on. Just opening the package itself, and you can see that it have a brush, a soft brush. I think this is to clean up after the scratch is complete. There are some scratch sheets and stencils so that you can stretch it. There are some mask and decoration part. So let me open and show it to you one by one so that you know what's inside the package and what is the quality of this product. So this is the mask set, and you can see that this is a mask like a Spider-Man sort of mask, and you can put this elastic band with these holes inside it. Like once you complete doing the scratch art, then you can put this elastic band inside it, right? And then you can just put it on your face. So this is pretty cool for the kids who love the mask and they're superheroes, and they can easily put it the band the way they want to design it. All this scratch sheet have different colors inside it and painted all black. So once actually you scratch these, you can design whatever the design you want on them. The second is like the decoration scratch paper, and these are also of different colors. So in the mask itself you can see there's a Batman and all sort of different shapes and size of the mask. Here this is the decoration sheets or the scratch paper that comes with colored band, and this is approximately like 12 colorful bands and 12 decoration scratch paper. And I'm just showing you the dinosaur here. So you can see this is a dinosaur, and again you can do whatever the design you want on it. And this is the color band along with it. That color band can goes into the hole to hold it, so you can use it anywhere. Either you can hang it or you can like decorate any stuff with it, whatever the way you want to use it. There are multiple things and creative things that kids can do with it, and I feel that this is a really nice good work for kids to get them equipped with the craft stuff. So you can put this in the hole, this ribbon, and you can use it the way you want. Either you can tie it like this, or you can just put it in another way around. So there are different possibilities and creativity that you can do with this. This is the soft brush. Like I will show you that how to use. Like once you are done with the scratch thing, there will be a certain like this black color or this scratching stuff or dust on it, so you can just wipe it off with this soft brush. Just want to show that it is like complete kit, so they provide almost everything that you need to create your stuff. And this pack have all the other stuff. So let me show, like these are the wooden styluses that comes with this, and so there are actually 20 wood styluses. So I'm just showing you one is all similar, and it's like a stylus pen or some sort of, or a pencil things, and that you can use to scratch the paper. And here are the stencils. So there are actually 4 stencils in different colors along with this pack. So you can see there are different shapes and sizes and designs on it, and that you can put on the sheet paper, and then the creativity never ends, so you can use it the way you want. So you're seeing the designs on it, and I'm just showing you the other 2 stencils, the different designs like the plain clouds, happy sad faces and smileys, the sea animals and stuff. And these are actually the scratch sheets that come with this pack, and there are 50 scratch paper sheets that kids can use. So these scratch sheets are all different colors inside it, and then all the black scratchy paper on it. So what's in the total kit now? So I'm back on this: 50 scratch paper sheets, 6 mask scratch paper, 12 decorative scratch papers, 12 colorful ribbons, 20 export styluses, 4 stencils, and 1 soft brush. And how to use it: fix the scratch board on the table, trace the outlines using the wooden stylus, the lines turned colorful, swipe the black with the soft brush. So pretty easy and basic, and I'm just showing you the one by using the stencil. So it's a scratch paper, I'm putting a stencil on it and taking a wooden stylus and just trying to draw a penguin. So just follow it, and then as you see that as I follow, the scratch paper is actually, there is a color below this, and then you can scratch and design the way you want. I'm producing a design or the curve, crisscross curve thing here, and you can see that how it comes and turns up to be. So here you can use different shapes and size. I will share one trick later on. First I will just show you the way it will feel and look. So in this side of the paper you see is a pink color, and on the other side of paper like there are different colors like blue, yellow and pink, so that you can use. So there is a star or the sun, and then you can scratch it off. So see the blue color, yellow color, pink color, so they are all different colors below this paper on the different side of the paper. So this is the soft brush that I was saying, like it comes to clean up or remove those dust from this paper so that it will look more clean and better. And here it is, like how it looks when I remove the stencils. I can draw other stuff on it without the stencils, and here it is. I can color, I can complete the process, and this sounds great. So as I said, like there I will discuss like something on the tip and tricks. So this is the other sheets that I'm trying to use, and here you see like I'm not able to fit this big tip inside the stencils. So what you can do, actually you can sharpen this tip of the stylus so that it can fit inside this stencil. And because all this like it's a pencil that you can use a blade or something and just cut it off or make it more sharp so that it can fit inside the stencils and you can use it properly. So don't think that this is not fitting, it's not a good product. It's actually they provide 20 styluses, so you can make sharp 1 or 2, but to be